Hi everyone, this is Rochelle Scouten, Development Director of the NBDA.
And Brandy Lepak, the President of the NBDA. And we want to cover today how you can get the most out of becoming one of America's best bike shops.
So congratulations, everybody that won. We know everybody works so hard on the application and on getting their shops ready for the secret shopper to come in. So we're really happy with the amount of people that we know worked really hard, spent a lot of time on their shops this year. So congratulations.
Now that you've won, you should have all received an email congratulating you on becoming one of America's best bike shops. If not, please send us a quick email at info@nbda.com and we can send you over all of the information that you need. In that email, you should have received the logo that you can use on your website, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and wherever else you post social media. You should have also received a template in a Word document that you can easily use for your press release by simply inserting your shop's information. So now that you've won and you have all your information, it's time for you to celebrate with your staff. Let your team know how thankful that you are that they work so hard to achieve this recognition. The guys at my shop are super proud of accomplishing this. We all worked together on the application, walked through, and made sure that they were dialed in for the secret shopper. Make sure that you lift them up and get them excited about this achievement. Great ways to use this designation is a learning opportunity. You can use the shopper report to create customer service standards. That was something that was really important at my store. We have multiple locations, and the secret shopper report helped us achieve that standard across the board at all of our locations. You can also use this feedback to improve. A lot of these secret shoppers, this is the first time they've ever been in your location. So their perception really matters. Like it or not, what they think of your store is what a lot of first-time customers think when they walk into your store. And then last but not least, start preparing for next year. Don't think that this is a one and done opportunity. You can use this to continually grow and improve throughout the year. Use the logo and the press release. Great ways you can use the logo in your business. Use it on your website, create promotional items, use it in your social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Really brag about winning this in your community. Send out the press release. I like to send our press release to the Chamber of Commerce, any group that we might be affiliated with, local ride clubs, your suppliers and vendors, the local newspapers in your area. Send it to your town's elected officials. Tell everyone that you've been selected by a national association as being one of the best bike shops in America. You never know how people are going to use this recognition and create branding for your company.
So soon in the mail, you're going to get your package that'll have your actual award in it. And on here, we have a picture of the award. It's not just a certificate this year. It is actually a thick wooden plaque that you'll be able to put up in your shop. We think it looks awesome. We're so proud of this award this year, and we're so excited for all of you to put it up in your shops. Along with the award, you're going to get some stickers that you can put in your window, and you're also going to get a flyer with some items that you can purchase with the ABBS logo on it. So we're going to have welcome mats available for you that can tell your customers as soon as they walk in that you are one of America's best bike shops. We're going to have shirts, hats, floor stickers, and just things for you to put in your shop to let your customers know immediately where you stand. We also have a hashtag campaign going on. So if you share in your social media that you won America's Best Bike Shop, if you share when you get your award to all your customers, put in these hashtags: MMA Biking, ABBS 2019, winner NBDA, and Bike Shop, and any one of those. And we will look for them, at random, and we will pick a winner at random to win this North Face bike shop with the America's Best Bike, or North Face jacket with the America's Best Bike Shops logo, and we're going to put your shop logo on it as well. It's a $200 jacket that you're going to get for free if you use these hashtags. So go ahead and use it and you might win the jacket. So use this recognition to your advantage, and it'll really help you grow your business if you use it correctly. Like Brandy said, send out the press release to as many people as you can. You never know who's going to use it, and just put out a press release for you for free branding. So we hope that you use it as best you can. If you have any questions, go ahead and contact us. It's info@nbda.com. And then also on our website, nbda.com, we have a contact form if you need. And keep your eyes open. We have applications are going to open in January for next year's America's Best Bike Shops. And we also have our Bicycle Retail Radio podcast still going out every week. And we have exciting new people on there. We've got webinars every Tuesday. We've got great presentations by experts who want to help you sharpen your competitive edge. And America's Best Bike Shop is one of those things to help you do that. And your website is one of those things to help you do that. We're really helping you, give you the best tools to be competitive. We have David DeKaiser writing outspoken articles for us. So go check all that out. If you have any questions, contact us by email, or our phone number is on our website as well. Brandy, do you have anything else you want to add?
I don't. Congratulations again on winning this great award, and we're excited for you, and we wish you the best. Thanks for applying.
Thank you.